In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're organizing a simple report or putting together a more complex document, knowing how to add pages can be a real time saver. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step to make sure this process is crystal clear. First off, you'll start on your Adobe Acrobat homepage. Once you're there, you will see a variety of options. But for this tutorial, we're going to focus on navigating to a recent document. Of course, if you're starting fresh, you could click on Create to begin with a new document. But today, we're working with an existing one. So go ahead and open one of your recent files. This will take you to your Documents workspace where all the editing magic happens. With your document now open, direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll find a handy option labeled Organize Pages. This tool is your gateway to modifying your document structure, including adding or removing pages. Click on Organize Pages. It's here that you'll see another option called Insert, which conveniently allows you to add different types of pages to your document. Click on Insert and you'll be presented with a few choices on how to proceed, whether it be a blank page, a file from your computer, content from your clipboard, or even a web page. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's opt to add a blank page. Choose the Blank Page option from the list. Now, a prompt will appear asking you to specify precisely where in your document you'd like this new page to live. You can choose to insert it before or after a certain page. Take a moment to decide the best placement for your needs. It might be helpful to think about the overall flow of your document and where a new page might make the most sense. Once you've decided, go ahead and confirm your selection by hitting OK. And just like that, a new blank page is added to your document. This blank canvas is now ready for any content you wish to input, allowing you full control over your document's layout. Remember, these steps can be repeated anytime you need to add more pages. Thanks for watching and following along. Now you can confidently add new pages to your documents in Adobe Acrobat, enhancing your workflow and document organization as needed. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy editing and see you in the next video.